Nakatakda ng itayo sa Barangay Malabanyas, Angeles City ang isang two-story commercial building na magsisilbing education and livelihood hub para sa mga Kapampangan. Nitong Sabado, March 7, isinagawa ang groundbreaking ceremony sa pangunguna ng Swiss Care Foundation na siyang nasa likod ng nasabing proyekto. Itatayo ang gusali sa tabi ng La Grande Residences at inaasahang matatapos sa loob ng isang taon.
We've been in the Philippines, the warmth of the Filipino, the beautiful smile, and wherever we travel around the world, there are always Filipinos in the hotels, always Filipinos in a cruise ship. And we see the potential of this nation, so we really would like to help.
Nakadisenyo umano ang building na may flexible classrooms, workspaces at isang roof deck na maaaring gamitin sa mga training, session, community activities at iba pang espesyal na pagtitipon.
We will not charge for any courses. The entire year of training will be free of charge for these underprivileged.
Maybe in around 2 years from now, and then we have the yearly courses ongoing, and even after us, hopefully.
Layunin ng proyekto na palawakin ang oportunidad sa edukasyon at trabaho sa pamamagitan ng mga skills training, livelihood workshops at professional development programs.
Be offering it's a hotel management school. So we own the hotel here. I mean, by having the hotels here, we are able to get the courses, we're able to get some OJT on the job training, and we will not be hiring the students for us. No. These students, we will just find them a job in the Philippines. We will find them a job overseas. The target is not to hire the student for us, but to really educate them and then send them overseas. We are not asking anything from these students.
Nagpahayag naman ng suporta sa pagtatayo ng Education and Livelihood Building si Alvin Liu, na kilalang celebrity chef at tinatawag ding Demon Chef.
I will do my best to help this foundation and to build this, to build it, to build it. And I think he's doing what he's doing here is great.
Ang Swiss Care Foundation ay formal na inulunsad noong December 19 sa Angeles City na layong magsagawa ng humanitarian initiatives at community support. Katambal ito ng La Rose Noa Foundation na kilala sa pagbibigay ng scholarship at pagsasanay sa mga nais maging pastry chef, baker at barista na nagbubukas naman ng oportunidad sa sektor ng food and hospitality.
See these wonderful young Filipino, they are so good, but they have no chance in life. When I see the potential of these young students, it's incredible. We want to help them, but we don't want to help the rich. We want to help the underprivileged. It is really what's really in the bottom of our hearts. That's what we want to do.
Ako si Jana Lumang Parungaw para sa Balitang Balita.